In front of me is Redmi 14C, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Display and Brightness. Then scroll all the way down to click on Font and tap on the perfect one for you in order to download it and apply it. Firstly, click Free or Buy it over here, then wait, and tap on Apply. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default one, access the same Display and Brightness section, scroll all the way down and click on Font Settings to apply one of those. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!